That's my car. It's just wax. My 99 Galant VR. She's a beauty, ain't it? Wanna go inside? Let's go inside. Let's go and see what's inside. Oh. Init. Oh yeah, that's what inside looks like. It's all leather, man. All leather. Power windows. Leather steering wheel. Oh man, it's almost like 900 kilometers already. Digital aircon, Clarion speak stereo system with remote, may I presume. It's a thin remote. These sunglasses, ashtray, the usual lighter. It's an automatic SE transmission. This converts to a coupled. It's kinda hot out here. There's my glove box with keys. That's the back side, as you can see. And that it has those personal lamps at the side. Armrest, ashtray, and this I bought a trash can for my car. This one has lights on the doors, tweakers, 6 speakers, one here, the other one on the back side. This is what the back looks like. The back looks like this with 2 speakers and seat belts, a center seat belt, armrest. Maybe I'll show you the engine soon. You see, if I didn't close the door fully, you see that? They're telling you to close the door completely. My God, this is my car. Arm. I love this car. This is my dream car. Something happens to it. There's deep.